second bounty hole event, year number 2. We got my mega truck here today. Ton of people. We got 4 classes. We got 4-wheeler, side-by-side, DOT tire, truck, and a mega truck class. We're gonna get some big stuff stuck today. It's gonna be a good day. It's mucky, Florida mud. Let's do it. 4-wheeler and side-by-side classes, you get 1 reverse, and if you back up and you don't go any further, that's where you stop, and that's what your position for the place.
Got a little boom in my big truck. Gonna open up the doors and turn it up. Gonna stomp my boots in the Georgia mud. Gonna watch you make me fall in love. Get up on the hood of my daddy's tractor. Up on the toolbox, it don't matter. Down on the tailgate, girl, I can't wait to watch you do your thing. Shake it for the young bucks sitting in the honky tonks. For the rednecks rocking till the break of dawn. The DJ spinning that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees, shake it for the catfish swimming down deep in the creek. For the crickets and the critters and the squirrels. Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Oh, country girl, shake it for me.
Second place bounty hole, $200. We'll take it.
Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me. Girl, shake it for me. Girl, shake it for me. Somebody's sweet little farmer's child. They got it in her blood to get a little wild. Ponytail and a pretty smile, roping me in from a country mile. So come on over here and get in my arms. Spin me around this big old barn. Tangle me up like grandma's yarn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shake it for the young bucks sitting in the honky tonks. For the rednecks rocking till the break of dawn. For the DJ spinning that country song.
Alright, so my favorite side-by-side out here, his side-by-side is literally set up for bounty holes only. It's right there in the X3. I had one, they ripped so hard.
Give it hell. That's it. This is an old build, so we'll see how she does.
Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Guitar. Like a dandelion in the wind on the hill underneath the pines. Yeah, move like the river flows. Feel the kick drum down deep in your toes. All I wanna do is get to holding you and get to knowing you and get to showing you and get to loving you. For the night is through, baby, you know what to do. Shake it for the young bucks sitting in the honky tonks. For the rednecks rocking till the break of dawn. For the DJ spinning that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees, shake it for the catfish swimming down deep in the creek. For the crickets and the critters and the squirrels. Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Oh,
Grabbing the giveaway rope for the second place winner of the side-by-side class. We got Sandy Cat's 7/8 rope with a big soft shackle. So let's go give prizes.
Yeah, Possum got second place. Possum got second place. Who got first?
Should be the Eric Larson.
Eric, you got first. Eric.
All right, there you go, sir. That's the winner of the side-by-side class. Turbo X3 killed it. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I guess second place don't want their rope, so I guess we'll give it to him later, or we'll just keep it. While he's turning around, I got these Mud Cricket shirts. These seem to be very popular today. I'm already sold out. I got these. I got some Bussy shirts with Bussy the Beaver, and I got the Bounty Hole event shirts as well. So for everyone asking me, like over and over again, I finally have a website going up, and I think it's gonna do good. I've been selling a lot of merch, it's all paying, but the website should make it very fast and easy for everyone.
Yeah.
There's a rope and a soft shackle in there.
Oh, soft shackle. What's up, buddy?
Hey.
Everybody is everybody.
I think it's gonna be everybody. So we're starting the DOT tire class. It's gonna be like street legal trucks with some street tires, big mud tires, not really the V-treads. So this is like your daily driver kind of option out here, like a weekend mud bogger. It is my favorite class. You see these on the road covered in mud. But the big mega trucks you don't really see on the road. You can't drive those on the road. So them trying to keep this together for work on Monday is awesome. If we could get everyone to stage like right here, that'd be perfect.
Everybody did a
in jail, nigga, I'm the last man standing, nigga. I'ma forever stand on my 10 like I got 100 fucking toes, nigga. I forever blow, nigga. All you pussy nigga know.
Floor it.
It's talking about a murder and no need, no nobody. The folks tryna watch me close, I think they know I get out my body. I'm talking to bro on plates and reminiscing how we flip little mighty. Shoot out of the shit when I'm tryna nail some, I be the last one pop. If I go broke, I'm back in the big piece, 755 I can't go broke with this money on heads, bitch, I be the one to get it. When niggas be down, won't got no time, you fight right there, we did it. I been Miami and got took down and went so hard, we did it. The feds been on our ass 3 years, shit finally caught up, didn't it? Fuck nigga, we ain't going for shit, don't look too hard, my switch and Lennox. Just be that fight.
Danger Ranger coming up. Maybe it's the Ranger in danger in this instance.
It was me, Q5 with 4 them guys. We clapped to the scene, got empty. Before I ever go for a thing, I look at the judge and say I'm guilty. Say ain't nothing die by B, okay, next box they grab on me. What the fuck I done win that bad, ain't drop my man, bitch, nigga, I'm listening. But nigga better see Q5 his head on how shit could've been worse. If they seen all the shit we did, they wouldn't believe our mamas in church, bitch. They're talking about a murder and I don't even know nothing about it. The folks tryna watch me close, I think they know I get out my body. I'm talking to bro on plates and reminiscing how we flip little mighty. Shoot out of the shit run, I'm tryna nail some, I be the last one popping. If I go broke, I'm back at the BP 755 for 50. I can't go broke with this money on head, bitch, I be the one to kill it. When niggas be down, won't got no time, Q5, but they think we did it. I been Miami and got took down, went told them how we did it.
I do, yeah. It still runs. It's a rough jump.
I know. There you go. Come on.
He's pretty far.
Yeah. That's exactly like it is. He hasn't done shit to this truck.
Really?
Fucking ripping.
We get the cat.
You want a cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
No! Give me the fucking rope. Give me the fucking rope.
Okay.
I got the DOT class, brother. I won!
40 hours got me going out my mind. Dallas dropped another game in overtime. Caught a ticket speeding down to 65.
People who bought merch, we're gonna give away a bunch of Sandy Cats ropes and recovery gear. And what we got is boom box as well, that's Bluetooth. So let's go grab it.
Somebody pour me a drink, somebody pour me
Alright, the first thing we're giving away is gonna be a boom box from the Floridian guy.
Yeah, I've been breaking my back, just keeping up with the Joneses, y'all know what I mean.
Sandy Cats recovery rope and salt.
There you go. And go grab the big rope.
It's like when over my head, I can't even think when I can hear them calling my name. Hey, somebody pour me a drink.
All right, y'all, we just finished the raffle. Thank y'all for buying all that merch. We literally sold out. Thank you for entering. It's been a good time today so far, and we're about to get the mega truck class going. We just finished the DOT class. They killed it. They made it super far. So the same rules apply. You get one reverse. If you stop right there, that's it, you're done. That's your furthest point, is after that reverse and forward again. It's gonna be cash, and then we're gonna give away a Sandy Cats it's either 2-inch or 2.5-inch rope with big soft shackles. So I know the big guys, they definitely need that stuff. But it's time for the big dogs. So let's get them lined up and ready to go.
this far, so now I'm in third. Nah.
The person currently winning, he didn't make it all the way through, but he went the furthest, is that first Chevy that ran. That thing is monstrous. But I will tell you, we got two big trucks coming up. Cummins powered and twin turbo LS. Big trucks, big tires, with a lot of power. So I think they might have it, but this hole is nasty. Listen, I'm disappointed that this Cummins did not make it through. That was my go-to for the truck that would make it to the end. But that just means this bounty hole is that nasty. That's a big truck to get stuck like that. Twin turbo LS. If he gets in the boost, it's game over. I think he's got the bounty hole. I promise. He was in there trying to figure it out. Okay. I promise. No, I got you. I got you. A little bit of a dilemma. The dilemma is he couldn't figure out the reverse shifter, and he was trying to get it in there. Okay. So they're trying to say he reversed twice, but I was watching the whole time. He was just trying to figure out the shifter. Luckily, I was there watching. This is the baddest truck out here. 2.5 ton hater kit. I think those are 23 130s. Big tire, big power, old school Chevy. Just throwing it down, bow tie. This hole has claimed another truck, but I'd like to thank everyone for coming. I appreciate y'all buying out all the merch. We got some big trucks stuck today. It was a good day. No fights, maybe a little bit. He's on